outstanding talent in radio broadcasting, making him one of the most beloved personalities in radio.
And the nominees are Papa Bol from Barangay LS, DJ Conyo Bicolano from Love Radio, Papa Jackson from 106.7 Energy FM, Papa Dudut from Barangay LS, DJ Jai Ho from Radio 630, DJ Nick from Easy Rock.
And the VP Choice Award goes to Papa Jackson of 106.7 Energy FM. Congratulations.
Hi everyone. Maraming salamat VPA CA. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to enjoy another award. Maraming pasalamat to tell a story every night and get paid telling a story. It does not get better than that. So maraming pong salamat for supporting me. Sa lahat po ng bumoto, alam ko pinagpaguran to ng mga panggay namin na walang sawang bumoto. Nagpuyat din at of course, pinaglaban yung spot na to para sa amin. Thank you very much. Like I always say, ang award na tinatanggap namin, nagkapagtago lang po kami, pero award po natin lahat ito. To our boss, Ma'am Becca, maraming pong salamat. And of course, sa lahat ng mga DJs na Energy, congratulations to us. Thank you very much po.
The VP Choice Awards for FM Radio Station of the Year goes to the FM radio that have consistently delivered high-quality radio shows, attracting Filipino listeners and nurturing radio DJ talents who provide exceptional radio programming.
And the nominees are Wish FM 107.5, Love Radio 90.7, 106.7 Energy FM, Barangay LS FM 97.1, 101.1 Yes FM, and 96.3 Easy Rock.
The VP Choice Award goes to 106.7 Energy FM.
Thank you very much po. Papakilala ko lang po yung buong team na bubuo ng Energy FM. This is my partner on air. This is Gandang Kara. This is Sheena. This is Kapitan Asisa, Tita Cora, Lindsay, Jumbo, and Toby. Pero mas maganda siguro sila magpakilala mga sarili nila, starting with Gandang Kara.
Hi, I'm DJ Kara. Mapapakinggan niyo po every lunchtime, 12 noon to 3 p.m. sa Hot Stories ng Energy FM 106.7. Hi, ako naman na nag-iisang pabebot na si Sheena. Mapapakinggan niyo tuwing alas 3 ng hapon hanggang alas 6 ng gabi.
Ako ba nag-iisang girlfriend mo sa radio? My name is Lindsay. Siyempre, 8 hanggang 11 po in the morning. Lihim ng liham.
Well, good evening po. Ako po si Jimbo. Makapakinggan niyo po alas 3 ng hapon hanggang alas 6 ang Jimsy po. Tandem po yan sa hapon.
Yan, ako naman po ang baby boy po ng radyo. My name is Baby Toby. Siyempre, mapapakinggan niyo po ako mula alas 5 hanggang alas 8 po ng umaga para sa programang Tell Toby in the Morning. Thank you po.
Hi, ako po si Tita Cora. At ako naman po si Kapitan Asisa at kami ang Baklita sa Mapapakinggan niyo po every 11 a.m. to 12 noon sa Energy FM Monday to Friday po yan. And of course, our station manager, our boss,
Papa Jackson po. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
once again, congratulations to all our winners for tonight. And now let us all welcome Horizon Digital Management, our
Radio broadcasting, making her one of the most beloved personalities in radio.
Thank you po sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa akin. Sa lahat ng mga supporters ko, number one, maraming salamat po at hindi kayo napapagod sumuporta sa akin. And of course, to VP Choice Awards, maraming salamat din po sa pagkilala sa aking talento. At ang aking Energy FM family, maraming salamat po sa support nyo. Of course, kay Ma'am Becca and sa buong Energy FM, maraming salamat po. Maaalala ko to habang buhay na nagkaroon ako once in my life ng Hall of Fame. Totoo ba? So maraming salamat po.
With Filipinos and keep them engaged.
The nominees are Tambalan Podcast, Nicole Hayala and Chris Chuper. Sky Podcast, Chris and Slater. Atin Lang, SB19. The Cool Pals and the Pod Network. Carjack Arrest, Gandang Kara and Papa Jack.
The VP Choice Award goes to Carjack Arrest of Gandang Kara and Papa Jackson. Congratulations!
Hey, thank you very much. Ang saya-saya. Huwag niyo pagod sa amin, ha? Thank you very much po. To win a podcast award is a new venture kasi we never really thought we could venture out from radio. So maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Lalo na po yung mga Carjack fans na talagang dugot pawis, puyat, everything. Alam nyo, it takes a village, literally, to win such an award here. Thank you very much po. Ikaw muna, mamaya na itong kasakitan natin.
Ayan, sobrang kinikilig po kami sa award na to kasi first time po namin mag-podcast and parang nabanggit ko lang siya na sana one day manalo tayo ng podcast of the year. Tapos nagkatotoo, so sobra yung kilig namin. So thank you so much VP Choice and maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga bumoto, sa lahat ng mga nag-support, na mga supporters namin. Grabe kayo, sobrang salamat po. And hindi rin magiging possible yung aming Carjack podcast kung hindi rin dahil sa aming head writer. So thank you so much. Mag-speech ka na.
Village people, thank you so much po. Kung wala yung award giving body nyo, wala po akong award hanggang 64 years old. Thank you so much. Carjack, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa mga love stories and heartbreaks nyo. Ayan. Naging solid sila. Kaya po kami nakapag-put up ng magandang podcast story. Creative din, Miss Janet. Miss Dayan, thank you so much. To Carjack supporters. To my boss, na siya ang aking nagturo sa akin by experience every day. Sir Boy A, thank you so much. Mama, I love you so much. Thank you po. Thank you, Village people.
Alright.
Maharlika Pilipino, year 3 nyo na at maraming salamat sa pangatlong taon. Kinilala nyo ako bilang best male DJ. My apologies for not being able to attend your awards night physically, but my heart and spirits are with you that night. So maraming pong salamat sa pagkilala sa aking talento. I promise that I will do more to contribute to the industry. Maraming pong salamat sa being your male DJ of the year. Thank you very much.
Hi! This is Gandang Kara of Energy FM 106.7 at gusto ko magpasalamat sa Maharlikang Pilipino Awards for this, Gandang Kara. Salamat po sa pagkilala niyo sa aking talento sa larangan ng radyo. Wow, lalim na. Pero sana makapunta po ako sa next event niyo. Maraming salamat po ulit sa award na ito. Salamat din sa lahat ng aking mga supporters and sa aking Energy FM family. Thank you so much!